Get cute with my girl Amanda and I as we get ready for the Bridgerton premiere. Ah, excited. First, we're gonna get our drinks ready. Can you have our drinks? Duh. Then we're gonna get our snacks ready because the girlie needs snacks. But most importantly, we gotta look our best. And thanks to Ecoslay, we'll be Bridgerton ready. Amanda here is gonna use the orange marmalade flaxseed and oil curl definer from Ecoslay. It's just one of my favorite products from them. And it's just so great for your hair. See how it glides through her hair and how curly and shiny and bouncy it is? See the glide? Work that in, baby. Work it. She's gliding it in. It's bouncing. It's shiny. Shiny. It's giving curls. It's giving Bridgerton. It's giving ready. I love it. I'm going to get ready by using the applesauce edge control from Ecoslay. See it? See that, baby? You see that, baby? That's the good stuff right there. Ecoslay uses all natural ingredients in all their products, and it's our go-to for all occasions. I'm really enjoying the Ecoslay edge control right now. I have my braids in, and you know you gotta get the edges laid. Are we right, girlies, or am I right? I'm still working on my technique, but luckily I have the Ecoslay also gave me this great edge control brush to use as well. And I'm working on it. I'm loving it. Check me out. Are we cute or what? Yes. And now it's time to watch the show.